Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into the incredible story of one of the Philippines' most iconic voices, the one and only Eva Eugenio. From her breakout hit Tukso to her unforgettable contributions to the jukebox era, Eva's soulful sound has captured hearts for decades. So grab a seat and join me as we take a trip down memory lane and celebrate the amazing legacy of this jukebox queen. Sit back, relax, and enjoy my vlog. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. Eva Eugenio, born on January 17, 1947 in Quezon City, Philippines, was a renowned Filipino singer and actress who became one of the most celebrated entertainers of the 1970s and 1980s. Known for her powerful voice and emotive performances, Eva quickly captured the hearts of the Filipino audiences and established herself as a prominent figure in the music scene. Her rise to fame came during the jukebox era, a time when her soulful ballads resonated with listeners across the country. Eva's exceptional vocal abilities made her stand out with her most iconic hit, Tukso, becoming a defining song of her career. The track, written by Rolly Diazes, was a massive success and became synonymous with her name, na pinatibay ang kanyang katayuan bilang isa sa jukebox queen of the Philippines, kasama ang mga kapwa-artista na sina Imelda Papin at Claire de la Fuente. Eva's career was marked by a series of hits, including Pag-ibig na walang dangal, Anong gagawin kapag wala ka na, and Babae Ako, all of which showcase her versatility as a singer. In addition to her musical achievements, she also ventured into acting, with Tukso being adapted into a film in which she starred alongside former President Joseph Erap Estrada. Throughout her career, Eva Eugenio left a lasting legacy in the Filipino entertainment industry, beloved for her heartfelt music and captivating performances. Even years after her peak, her songs continue to be cherished by fans, cementing her place as a true icon in Philippine music history. Thank you very much for watching. And according to Carly Lloyd, nothing in life is worthwhile unless it's kind of hard to get there. Special thanks to my sources from Google, dreampirates.in, enwikipedia.org, and youtube.com, pictures Quidets2, imdb.com, and inspirational quote Quidets2, picturesquote.com.